Recently, there has been a lot of buzz about AI based on what it is all about, and how you can use it. And I'm very sure that there are still some of us that still don't understand all these things that they are talking about. But I can tell you that if you calm your mind down, I can teach you how to adopt AI, learn about it, and use it to work smarter. Hello, I'm Patrick from Clitronics Technology, and today I'll be showing you step-by-step process of how to go from knowing nothing about AI to working smarter, sparking new ideas, automating some parts of your business, and most importantly, buying back your time. So before we dive deep down into this video, there are going to be 5 sections that we're going to be talking about. The first section is going to be talking about the challenges that beginners face when trying to adopt AI. Then we are also going to talk about the categories of people that use AI. Not everybody uses AI for the same thing. Some people use AI to automate some parts of their business. Some people just want to use AI just to automate daily tasks like reading emails, drafting email ideas. Then the next section we're going to be talking about is the core useful skills when you're trying to use AI. And then the next session, we're going to be talking about the action plan. This is the step-by-step process of how you can start learning how to use AI. And finally, I'll be providing you with resources that you can use to learn AI for free. Let's talk about the major challenges that beginners face when trying to adopt AI. The first one is usually, I am not a tech person. But later on, you realize that you don't really need to have much knowledge about coding to be able to use AI. All you need is to be able to command the AI for it to be able to get what you want done. The next challenge is people talking about that AI is changing too fast. Yes, every day there are new models that are being released every day, but all you need is to focus on one model and know how to use it very well. The third challenge is there are too many AI tools. There are thousands of AI tools being built every day, but if you can focus on 3 to 5 solid models, that's all you need to be able to scale up in the AI world. Then the last one is that I can't keep up with AI news. If you're not creating AI content like me, you don't really need to be going through AI news. All you need is to just subscribe to a few newsletters that help you to summarize this AI news and keep you ahead of what's happening. Now let's talk about the categories of people that use AI. There are 3 major categories of people that use AI. We have the everyday user, we have the power user, and we have the builder. Let's talk about the everyday user. These are categories of people that don't really focus on building complex AI agents. They just need AI for their everyday tasks, like clearing documents, summarizing emails, preparing presentations, and also organizing their learning. Examples of people that fall under this category are teachers who use AI to organize their lectures which they give their students. Students also fall under this category because they use AI to organize their learning, prepare for exams, and also brainstorm ideas that they can use to scale up in their studies. Let's talk about the power users. These are the category of people that want to do more faster in less time, like content creation, brainstorming, and also solving complex problems. Example, content creators use Perplexity for research and use ChatGPT to generate their scripts. They also use Descript to edit their videos and use Midjourney to generate images, and also use n8n to automate their posting workflows. Let's talk about the builders. These are the category of people that dive deeper. They build complex tools that help them scale some parts of their business. Tools like n8n, Make, Zapier. These tools are used to connect apps that automate some complex tasks and build heavy systems for their business. Some of these systems are like CRMs that help them manage their customers, lead generation, and also help them reply emails automatically. Hold on, now let me tell you something funny. All these 3 categories can be achieved without even knowing how to write a single line of code. These 3 stages can be achieved within months of consistent learning. Trust me. Let's talk about the core useful skills in AI. No matter which category you fall under, there are 4 core useful skills you need in AI, which is prompting, tool literacy, workflow timing, and creative remixing. Now let's break each of them down. Let's talk about prompting. Your prompt should always have a good structure. And for your prompt to have a good structure, it comprises of these 3 things: aim, context, and rules. Aim talks about what you want the AI to do, like you should brainstorm 5 ideas or talk about 6 points. Context is providing it with background information it needs to provide the better results for you. And then rules is like styling how the results will come out, whether you want it in bullet points or you want it in a brief summary or you want it in paragraphs. Let's talk about tool literacy. Not all AI models can be used for the same task. Some of them have their weak points and they have their strong points. So you need to know when to use them and when not to use them for different tasks. Let's talk about workflow timing. Most times, it's not every task that you do every day that you need to automate. Tasks that you need to automate are the ones that are repetitive and most time takes longer hours to do. So focus more on the ones that takes longer hours so that you can save more time for your business and for your work. And the last skill on the list is creative remixing. This is a skill that is usually avoided by many people, usually students. Like now, let's say students that use AI for their projects or their final year projects, they don't edit or add their own unique tone. They just give and submit whatever the AI has provided. They don't add any edits, they don't go through the work, they just submit it like that, which is not good. Most times AI hallucinates and it gives you this result with confidence that it's right, but most times you have to do your own background research and be sure that it's correct. If you're enjoying this content so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button so that you can get more contents like this on how you can improve your workflow, scale up your business, and buy your time back. Let's talk about the action plan you need to use to start learning AI today. There are 3 steps to take. The first step is to identify the pain points in your life, work, or business. In context, what are those tasks that usually cause the most stress or you usually procrastinate on? Or you can also ask yourself, what are those tasks that usually take the longest time to complete? The next step you should take is write out what a potential solution to those your problems would look like. Then the last step you should take is to go and research on which tools you can use to solve these problems. Earlier in this video, I told you that I was going to provide you with resources that you can use to start learning AI today. Places like Coursera, Udemy, YouTube, even Google offers a lot of free AI courses for beginners that you can use to start learning about AI today. You don't have any excuse anymore. You can get to know about AI today for free from any of these resources that I've mentioned, and I'll be dropping the links of each of these resources in the description below. Before I let you go, I want you to do one more thing for me. After this video, go and pick an AI tool. It could be ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini, or any other AI tool. Give it that task that seems to stress you every day or that seems to take longer hours to complete, and see how to get it done in fewer time and also improve your workflow. Trust me, AI is here to stay, and if you're not using it now, I don't know what will become of you in a few years' time. If you enjoy contents like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click on the notification button for more contents like this. Thank you.